Hi there, and first of all, thank you so much for trusting me with your personal information and adding that to our website. Second of all, we would love to congratulate you on taking this next step. This is huge, and you will learn as you go along what this business is all about, and you are more than welcome to ask any questions by just replying to this email. So my husband and I started our journey on the 8th of August 2023. So as we speak now, it is just over 2 years that we have been making money in the online space. Now, we started scared, skeptical. We thought this might be a scam. We thought this might not work for us. However, our future freaked us out more than taking a chance, learning new things, taking a chance on us. And that's exactly why we started. So we fell behind with 3 months worth of vehicle payments. We did not have enough money throughout the month to be able to catch up. And that is why we went online, we scrolled, and we came across a mom talking about earning in dollars in the online space. I made contact with her. A week after that, I literally went and we sold some of our furniture to get started. We started on the second lowest program, and within 3 weeks, we started generating a dollar income. A month and a half after that, we paid the 16,500 Rand towards the vehicle, and it was never repossessed. So that's absolutely fantastic. Doesn't matter what situation you are in, if you take this program seriously and you are ready to learn, you are coachable, and you will show up every day like you do for your boss or for your children or your household, this will be successful for you as well. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to head on over to our website. Please make sure that you scroll through, go and have a look at the testimonials and what's going on our website. And then when you reach the programs, there are 4 different ones to choose from. You have to invest in one of these programs so that you can learn the right skills from a multimillionaire. You want to step in the footsteps of someone who has already had success in the online space, and that is the creator of these programs. So you will pick one of the 4, you will choose one of them, you will make your payment, and on our website you can actually see there's 2 different ways that you can make your payment, either via PayPal. So you don't need a PayPal account to make your payment. You are going to click on the link, add your details, and then you are going to make your payment straight from your personal bank account into our PayPal account. Or if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that there is an EFT option. Please make sure that you send your proof of payment via email. Everything is there. Send it to us and make contact with us so we know you made a payment. That is super exciting. I look forward to hearing from you. You can see below on this email, my number is there. You can book a clarity call with me just so that I can explain this to you in further detail if that is something that you require. My number is there, or you can just reply to this email and ask me any questions you may have. I look forward to hearing from you.